job, engineer. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Oh, watch it!
Sorry!
Chewie, flying this thing look easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting! They've locked onto us. Take evasive action! There it is! After that plane! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons! Excellent enough, gunners! Shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one! Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they did, maybe a little something for Otto. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Too hard. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Fire the missiles.
Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... excellent.